Hello, what is your name?
My name is Kayden.
Hello, Kayden. Look at picture 1. What can you do?
I can dance.
What else can you do? Can you ride a bike?
No,
No, I can't.
no, I can't.
Can you cook food?
No, I can't.
Can you climb the trees?
No, I can't.
No, I can't. Look at picture 2. What are there?
There are three things.
3? Alright. Look at picture 3. Who is he?
He's grandpa.
Alright. Does he look old or does he look young?
He is young.
He looks young.
He look young.
Look at picture 4. What is it?
This is a t-shirt.
A t-shirt. And what animals are there?
There are two cows.
There are 2 cows.
There are 2 cows.
Now look at this monster. Describe this monster. Is this a nice monster or an ugly monster?
It's an ugly monster.
Yes. How many eyes has it got? How many ears has it got? How many arms and hands has it got? How many mouths has it got?
A monster has 6 eyes
6 eyes and
yellow ears.
and no ears, okay?
Yes,
How many arms and legs?
a monster has 6 arms and 10 legs.
And 10 legs, okay? Thank you.